Hey gang, it's Ark. Welcome back to our blind Blackrock Interloper series in the Long Dark. Let me go ahead and pick up my bedroll here before I forget it. And it is early morning, we're in the trailer here, and I have a plan for the day. I'm going to step outside here and see if the wolves are around.
Thank goodness.
The timber wolves were
Night.
down there somewhere earlier. And if they're still around, I think I'm just going to leave. But if they are not here, I want to go ahead and try to get some rabbits. Let's see, where were those wolves? They were over towards that way, where the rabbits that I wanted to collect are. And I want to try to be a little more careful, especially now that I have more than 2 matches. I want to be a little more aware of my temperature. So we'll probably go down and start a fire right here at the barn, shed. I forget what that location is called. No sign of the wolves yet. Okay, they're actually after me. They are behind me though, so I should just be able to travel this way, I think. Let's see, how close are they?
My fingers feel numb.
If they're at all close to me, I should just light a torch, I think. Yeah, they're getting close. Alright, this will hopefully keep them off of me. That was a lot closer than I intended. Let me see. Since they're actually...
Oh, so cold.
Oh wow, they're not happy. Alright, let's go this way. And I think I'm gonna head across the bridge. I don't think they can follow you across the bridge. So this is not the way that I intended to travel. But obviously I'm not going to be able to do a lot with these wolves here. Wow, they're really aggressive. I don't remember them being quite this coordinated where they would all run up to you. Okay, well, see if I can get away with grabbing a last rose hip on my way out. Alright, and unfortunately I'm already freezing. So I think I'm just going to start a fire right here. This was probably a mistake. The more I think about it, I should have gone to someplace where I could get warmer. Probably really cold here. I'll just use a piece of coal. I think not being cold is more valuable to me right now. Let me just double check temperature. Yeah, so with the coal and a couple of sticks, I should get warm. Might as well keep the torch out too. And let's cook a tea. You know what? I'm just going to make 2 teas. Probably going to get more tea ingredients soon. Alright, so when these are done, actually, let's see, 10, 12 minutes. Let's just do 1 additional tea craft. Torch will go out, but that's fine. Ooh, that is not fine. Alright, well, let's drink this. Let's drink the other one for some additional warmth. And unfortunately, we can't maintain this fire. I gotta take these cans, not forget that. Alright, I'm warm, I have the warming up buff, but we can't really do anything here. I probably shouldn't even be spending time doing this. The best thing for me to do now is to go straight back. Let's see, where am I here? Let me go ahead and grab all these sticks since they're all close together. The road should be up here somewhere. Okay, I might be a little lost right now. This is going to put my knowledge of this region to the test. Alright, here's the road. Probably just want to head downhill. Actually, we have a junction here, so that probably leads up to the plains. That leads up to the prison. Mine is that way. But down here should be the area I was trying to reach. I'm not going to stop for those tea ingredients.
Jesus, this is cold.
At this point, I'm going to start losing condition again pretty quickly, so I just want to hurry this up. Oh no. Well, I guess they don't usually come after you if you're... Alright, so that should be... Yeah, I know where I am now. So there must be another set of wolves. Now, based on past experience, they'll still get scared of me in a blizzard. But I should probably pull a flare out just in case that turns out not to be the case. Oh no, they're after me. Alright, let's oh, I wish I had known that, but... Alright, well, we got blood loss now. At least I know how it works now. So they're definitely not automatically scared just because of the blizzard. I need to get inside so I can heal this blood loss. They tore some of my clothing too. Alright, we're not very far now. Should be just up here. Alright, so first thing is, let's do a bandage on that. Now, what condition am I in? Okay, everything seems to be fine. They completely wrecked all of my headgear. That's hilarious. Oh, my flare went out. Oh well. I should have been paying attention. Yeah, I would have really liked to step outside and... Oh, now I'm getting cold in here too without the flare and without my headgear. Alright, well I'm going to have to start a fire, and the only place to do it is the fire barrel outside. All this stuff is cured now. Now, are the wolves going to be right outside? Let me see. I think I have some accelerant. Let me just take a second to regroup here. Alright, so I have accelerant that I can use.
I've never felt so cold.
I have a book. I actually don't need the book, I just need to use a stick and the accelerant, I think. So let's quickly get over here and get working on this. Match. I'll just use a stick and accelerant. I'm going to use one more piece of coal. Let's get... Oh, I left all that fuel back at the barn. That wasn't ideal. I'm actually not in great shape as far as fuel right now. Oh, here we go. Alright, we're warming up. My condition has dropped pretty low here. Let's go ahead and get some water going on here. Just going to stand by the fire and warm up for a bit. So based on what just happened, it feels like there must be 2 sets of timber wolves. I'm trying to think if there's any way they could have gotten around to me that quickly. Well, I guess I did cross the bridge, but then I took the road down towards them for a bit before I then headed in the other direction. So it's possible that that was the same group. Alright, what I should really consider doing here is, let's see. I need to go inside to grab the ingredients for the hat and everything. Alright, well I should be warm enough to do that real quick. Just go grab that stuff. That should be more than enough. Let's just move this over here. Okay, let me check out my other clothing. Okay, this I need to repair, and I need to do it really soon. Gloves I need to repair. That actually lost a little bit of condition from that. My jeans are gone, which means that this is going to start to take a beating. And my shoes are in bad shape too. Alright, so we need to do a bunch of repairs now. That blizzard really messed me up. Well, I guess first things first, which would be the thing that's about to get destroyed. It's going to take 30 minutes, so I can do that when I restart the waters. And then the next most pressing is probably the shoes. No, I'm going to replace these gloves, so I don't have to worry about those. I'm going to need at least one improvised head wrap. So that's probably the next thing to craft after I repair this. And then repairing the shoes, maybe. Got a lot of stuff to work on. Should keep me occupied during the blizzard. Alright, let's just wait until these are ready. Go ahead and take all this water. I don't really need a drink right now. Alright, so first thing is this. Let's repair this. I can actually put another repair into that too. Let's do the head wrap next though. After the head wrap, I should be fully warm, and then I think I'm going to run out and try to grab some more fuel. Maybe, we'll see. I don't know if it's worth it, given all the fuel that I have. Yeah, I'm sleeping inside tonight. This doesn't need to go through the night. This is just to keep me occupied for right now, so I don't think I'm going to worry about the fuel. Alright, so let's go ahead and do the head wrap now. This will later be this will be covered by my rabbit skin hat. And next I'll repair the shoes, I think. Now, one thing to keep in mind is I can do these clothing repairs inside, whereas I need to be out here to craft the rabbit skin clothing. So actually, the shoes aren't far enough down that I need to worry about them right now. Let's do this instead. So, water, water, put an hour into the rabbit skin mitts, or hat. I guess I could go either way. Rabbit skin hat, sure. So we'll spend an hour on that. And then I'll just repeat that process a couple of times. The hat is what I started? Yep. Okay, it seems to be a bit nicer. So let me start some tea instead. I realize it's not that much nicer, but I'm going to try to take advantage of the warmth that I have. This torch is probably going to go out, yeah, so. But we can just run back here and grab some sticks and potentially go up there and grab some of the gear I left by the climb. Oh, there's new rabbits here too. All right, well, definitely take that. Let's see how close I can get to this one. I'm gonna take a long shot. He was at a weird angle, so by the time I get back there, he'll be set. Okay, this should be a bit easier. He's coming towards me. Get into position. Almost missed that shot. Okay, let me drop that on the ground. We're coming back here very soon. Just want to see. Actually, okay, that climb is a ways up there. I don't have time to go up there right now. Let's get our rabbit, any sticks we see on the way back, and just head back. I used up all my warmth on that.
Gotta warm up somehow.
I really can't afford to be losing any more condition to the cold. I shouldn't have stayed out here this long. I forgot that I wouldn't be able to run the full way back like I did on the way out. Small detour for this last stick.
It's so cold. I just want to lay down for a bit.
Alright, we're back. That's done, that's done. Let me just drop this rabbit here. I'm not going to harvest it. I'm going to finish my clothing for now. Before I do that, okay, it won't let me. That's annoying. It won't let me do it for less than the full amount. So I would lose my water. So let's go ahead and... guess I should harvest the hide off of this. I don't think I have enough hides. 40 minutes. I should be fine on that. Let's go ahead and grab this water before it boils off.
This pack is getting kind of heavy.
Leveled up carcass harvesting. There we go. Let's see. Plenty of time on the fire. We go drop this off inside to cure. There we go. Cured rabbit pelt. Nope, that's not the one I want. The fresh rabbit pelt. Oh. I completely forgot that I was carrying around... No? Okay, so I left some rabbit pelts at the infirmary in the prison. Alright, let me just pick up everything that's cured for right now. I'll come back here and store it later. Okay, so we have more than the hour and a half we need to finish this. So, let's see. Clothing. Rabbit skin hat. 1.5 hours. All right. So we're now in better condition than we were before those wolves took out most of my clothing. These ragged work gloves are not in good condition. Let me just throw these on temporarily. They're actually slightly better. Not having any pants at all is pretty annoying. But that's what happens when you loot almost a whole region and there are literally no clothes. I feel like that shouldn't be that way. I don't think that was intentional. I just think they probably didn't put too much thought into it. Alright. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do now. Let's actually go make a pass for more... more fuel. I can run down there and gather sticks all around that area. Maybe down in the water there. And I'll use a tea to keep me warmer for a little bit longer. While I'm doing that, throw one more piece of wood on here so I don't run out while I'm gone. Yeah, 20% torch might be good enough for me to carry with me. There's a couple of them. Pick the 24% one. Alright, let's drink this. Get some water on here. I'm sure it's far too windy to keep this going. It's holding up for now. Alright, so I'm going to head down here to the left. And I'll just make a wide loop around here, looking for sticks. I'm kind of surprised that they're not all over the place. Don't really want to try to break down branches. Actually, I don't have a hacksaw anyway. So I couldn't get the limbs. The branches I could potentially do a few of since I have the warming up buff, but I think it's going to always be more efficient to just walk and find more sticks. Maybe if I found all the sticks in the area and I still wanted to grab a few more things. This torch is helping me stay warm, so I guess I'll go ahead and use another one. I don't know how much it's helping, but should at least be helping some.
I gotta eat soon.
Yeah, I get that you're cold, but we have work to do here.
I'm not sure I can carry much more.
Oh, that's right. That was a bad idea. I picked up all of those skins and stuff. Now I'm trying to carry them all around while I'm tired, and I just can't carry that much. Really slow walking into the wind right now. Let's just grab these last few sticks and go ahead and head back. My temperature bar isn't going to last too much longer anyway. I don't see the wolves. Got a few more sticks around here. Go ahead and grab the ones I can see, and then we'll head back. Alright. Well, my torch is out, so now it's really dangerous to be out here. Alright.
Okay,
Let's get back. At least I didn't lose any condition to the cold from that.
I need to find some place to escape this cold.
Got plenty of water. Alright, I got a couple of things I want to work on here. Let's go ahead and harvest the meat off of this. I will be eating that tonight.
I wonder if I can drop any of this gear.
Okay, so we've got that to cook later. Got 10 minutes to go on these. And my condition has dropped so low from starvation now that I'm starting to get the music. So I'm thinking that it actually doesn't make sense for me to stay up much later. If I'm gonna eat anyway, I might as well eat and sleep. And I have herbal tea. It's already nighttime. Yeah, I don't want to waste much more time.
This pack is getting kind of heavy.
This is risky. But let's step out here again for a bit. Oh, wait, I'm carrying way too much stuff. That's right. I forgot also that I had been picking up all the water. And that's probably really weighing me down. Yeah, I'm carrying
It's dusk,
an
so
insane amount of water. Let's go ahead and see what else here. Most of the fuel I got rid of. Got all this ruined clothing that I can harvest later. Let me just drop that back. Well, I'll move it up onto the workbench, actually. Just so I can easily see it there if I ever need cloth. Alright, let's get rid of that torch. That was a wasted... I'm still carrying so much. Oh, right, because of my vest. Got the bedroll on me. Drop some of these less good torches, I guess, and go with the others here. Okay, that'll be done in 5 minutes. That'll be done in 12. So on second thought, I don't think I want to eat this rabbit because my condition is so low. If I get food poisoning, I won't be able to heal it all tonight. I think even top quality cooked meat still has a small chance. So I think we're going to eat cattails for dinner, just to be safe. So when this is done, I think I'm just going to grab a few more torches off of here and we're going to go in to sleep. Too bad I didn't get the gloves done tonight too, but there's always tomorrow. At least we're getting some high quality torches out of our fuel here. And I've got to remember when I get up in the morning that I'm still carrying all of that material for crafting. Wow, so many good high quality torches out of this. Getting really lucky. Okay, I can't take any more. Take that, pick up my can, pick up my other can just so I don't forget it's here.
I would do anything for a drink right now.
Let me just equip this torch. We'll take this one inside with us so I can see where I'm going. All right. What do I have that is completely safe to eat? Cattails. I don't think this chocolate bar is 100% safe. The pinnacle peaches are, but I could potentially still find a can opener. Alright, let's just stick with cattails then. So I'll eat 5 of these and then drink the herbal tea. All right. Let's go for it. 10 hours of sleep. Should get healed up nicely. Another storm coming through in the night. It's a good time for it to come through. All right. We seem to have healed up a decent amount. I'm going to go ahead and... Well, I guess it's not necessarily worth it to sleep right now, but I might come back. I might step outside for a bit, get some stuff, and then come back and sleep for another few hours just to warm up. But I'm going to leave this one here. Let me just... I don't need to light the lantern now. How did my storm lantern lose all of that fuel? Maybe it never had that much to begin with. I thought it had, like, more than a liter, though. Alright, well, we've survived yet again. That was a little bit closer than I wanted it to be, just because I didn't understand exactly how the Timberwolves would act. But I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and thanks for watching.